In today's video, I will tell you which one is the best head protector or head guard for your little one. Hello mommies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you and your little one is doing very well. Generally in market there two types of head protectors are available, this and this type. So I will tell you which one is the best based on my personal experiences. So let's check it out. Your baby is infant, just started crawling, so for those babies this is okay, this is good, because they used to fall a lot at their back, so this will protect their back of their head, their spine and the shoulders. But if your baby is toddler, they started running, and for them this one is best. Tell you this is not much comfortable, because whenever I used to put the strap on his shoulders so whenever he used to move his hands, both the strap used to come down from his shoulders, so they should provide one harness in horizontal basis, so that they should stay in proper places. And for that reason I found out on solution that I used to put the strap like in cross shape, so you can also put it. This one is best because it will protect the head, back spine and the shoulders, but this one only can protect baby's head. In summertime, I would say both are uncomfortable. This cannot protect front head of your baby, but this can protect your front head of your baby. More softer than this one. Whether they are washable, yes, both are washable. You can wash in lukewarm water with baby liquid detergent soap. Yes, they are very light in weight. Both are more or less same weight.